Hello friends, Running Kimono here. 3 freebies this week over at Walgreens for the week of the 16th to the 22nd of February. OMG. First thing we're going to talk about is this. We have two different boosters. The top one is a 7 back when you spend $35, and the one down below is an online only $3 back when you buy 2 dental care products. Now, I will let you know for that top one, since Wednesday when these boosters populated, there's an error message that keeps showing up. I really wish the app would either revert back to the old one or they would try and fix it or hire a competent software engineer, because there's a lot of little glitches and mistakes happening right now, and this is just the frosting on the cake. Just keep going back to load it. Hopefully by Sunday the 16th it's working, but I'm also frustrated right along with you guys. Okay, please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 16th. Also, Valentine's Day merchandise, whatever's remaining, should probably be about 50% off. They want to make room for Easter, so this will go probably 80% very quickly because whatever's remaining, they want it out of the store. Probably 70 or 80 quickly. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Thanks so much, guys. Now, the first freebie that we have is with this Bueno. It's like 2 crisps in a wrapper, and it's the Kinder Bueno. They are $1.99. Find them at checkout or find them in the regular aisle. If your store has them for $1.50 or some weird promotion, you might have to grab 2 to make the math balance. But this coupon's valid until I think the first or second week of March. Anyhow, just a complete freebie. I was able to grab one earlier in the week and it worked for me, so I was pretty happy with that. Free little candy. Another freebie that we have is if you scoot over to your IBOTTA account, this little Kinder square, and make sure that you're scanning the barcode that you're grabbing the right one. You'll pay the cost, and then you're going to get back the $1.69 back through IBOTTA, so a little something for you. The next freebie that we have is with this. I got an 8x10 print for free earlier in the week, and then I got a 5 back when you spend $15 that booster. So let's throw it into this deal where we're going to pick up 2 Shea hair cares for $10. And I think there's going to be an 8 off 2 digital coupon, $7 reward when you buy 2. And then Fetch has this rebate to spend $20 at Walgreens, and SheaMoisture is part of it. So you're going to get an extra 2,000 points back. So that's a little something. As you can see, mine is progressively getting completed. So grabbing 2 of the Shea shampoos for $20. Scan that booster, punch in your phone number, subtracting that digital coupon, and let's pray it's an 8 off of 2. You're going to pay $12 with your debit card as you're using that spend booster of spend $15 to get back $5. You're getting back a $7 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. Photograph your receipt to Fetch for 2,000 points back. It makes this transaction free plus a $2 moneymaker. And remember not to use Walgreens cash as you're using that goofy booster. And I would even try to get a 39-cent print if you didn't score the free print earlier last week. Next deal that we're looking at is the 2 for $8 with the Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends, along with the 3 off 2 digital. Are we going to get one for the Whole Blends as well, so you can do the deal possibly twice? Wouldn't that be nice? Very straightforward deal. 2 of these shampoos for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for $2 or $1 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And sometimes the Garnier Fructis stylers, like a mousse or a hairspray, are included. So you might want to root around and see what they have to make a deal happen. Yet another deal with this booster, the 5 back when you spend $15, is to look at some P&G products. And yes, it was printing for me last week. So if you want to try and get like a little 4x6 print for 39 cents, maybe it'll print for you as well. So we have this promotion, which is the P&G Laundry Care to buy 4 to get back a $5 register reward. And typically we have about $5 in digitals to pair with these. So if you grab a mix and match of like what's on the screen here, it'll be $21.96. Scan that booster at the register, punch in your phone number, $5 in digital coupons, load them. They will come off for you. With your debit card, you're going to pay $16.96. Get back a $5 register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.96 for the 4 items, or $1.74 for top tier Tide and Tide Pods. A very good deal. And let's not forget, class, not to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using that spend booster of spend 15 to get back 5. For this one, if you look at it, it says Tresemme hair care and $6. So I'm thinking it might be back to $6. Let's hope and pray. I love the Tresemme for $6. And $5 coupon. I don't know what it is, but let's hope it's a 5 off of 2. And then $4 reward when you purchase 2. Again, your Fetch Rewards account has a spend 20 on various Tresemme, Unilever, get back 2,000 points, $20, get back 2. So 2 of these for 12, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 7, get back a $4 register reward, photograph that receipt to Fetch to get some of it tracking, and it's going to make it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And we're going to have to double, triple check the coupon and how this will play out if the $6 Tresemmes are included. I'm really hoping so. Okay, the next deal that we have is a BOGO 50% off. And see how that Degree Men's, that brick deodorant is right there? It says up to 5. So again, 2 at BOGO 50% off for those stick deodorants is, or stick or brick, whatever you want to call it. It's $8.68. I'm wondering if it'll be a 5 off of 2, like I'm hoping it is. If that's the case, you're going to pay $3.68, get back a $2 register reward, making it $1.68 for 2 of those amazing deodorants. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We're going to have to see what the specifications of that coupon is on Sunday to get this deal to work. Unilever is providing a whole bunch of very high valuable coupons, so a 5 off 2 I think might be in the works. Let's hope. Okay, so back to this week, we have 50-cent Colgate, which I love to see. I don't like paying $1, but 50 cents is acceptable. Grabbing 2 of these guys for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And the cheapest paper deal of the week that we have is the BOGO 50% off on the $5 Scott toilet paper and paper towel with dollar digital coupons for both. So 2 of them is $7.50. Subtracting your $2 in digitals, you're going to pay $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per unit. And again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So now we're going to look at a deal with the Softsoap body wash at $5.99. Grabbing 2 of them, the ladies, it's $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per unit. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register reward. Now we're going to do some quick honorable mentions in this flyer this week. Deals that might formulate into something great, or digital coupons I believe you should load. The first is 2 for $5 or $2.50 for the Complete Home or the Walgreens brand aluminum foil or plastic wrap. I would definitely stock up this week. Might be a smart move to get a couple of these for your pantry if you're a home cook. And we also have the 2 for $21 with the Huggies, but you have to spend $35 to get a $7 register reward. Are the wipes included? Yes or no? It's looking like no, but we're going to have to see what's tagged. And if it is, I will definitely whip up a deal for the parents out there. We haven't had a diaper deal in a couple of minutes. BOGO 50% off, $8 reward when you buy 2 on the Gillette and Venus cartridge replacements. If any of these are on clearance, they have been printing that register reward. So definitely something to keep an eye out for. Always a delight is the 4 for $10 on the P&G laundry care. So Tide Simply, the lower tier laundry care products, but $2.50 is nothing to sneeze at. And we have the Axe body wash, but look at the digital coupon, a 7 off 2. So as I was saying earlier, we're going to get a lot of really good Unilever coupons. $2.99 for the Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand selected nuts. Cashews are always included, so $2.99 for a nice bag of cashews. That right there is a really good deal. So I would definitely stock up if that's your treat of choice. Buy 1, get 2 for free on the select Kellogg's cereal. If you have a bunch of teenagers in the house, this is a great way to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or a register reward. The final deal for the soda drinkers out there is a buy two, get one for free on the Coke, Canada Dry, and Pepsi. This might be the week to stock up. That's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.